everyone, Amber here. Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. Today we are discussing 3 ways Uber drivers can increase their tips while driving. Before we jump in, if you're currently an active Uber or Lyft driver, check out the link below to sign up to play Octopus, a company that pays you up to $100 per month to install a tablet in your car for your passengers to play trivia games and watch videos on. It's free to sign up when you use our link below, and you make extra money, extra tips, and better ratings. Also, make sure to subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this one. All right, let's get started. Number 1, greet people by their name. People love to feel secure. And if you greet them by their name, they are going to feel safe because they know that they have the right driver. Number 2, keep your car clean. The first thing your customer sees when they get inside is how clean your car is. They love the fresh scent of new car or air fresheners, just like a simple clean car. People love that. Me as a customer and a driver, I love the feeling as well, to just have everything clean. There is no dilemma. Everything is secure and good. I've had a lot of customers comment on how clean my car is and they love it and to keep it up. And I just love hearing that. As well as other drivers, I've heard that that's one of the things that they keep constantly doing. It's a routine for them to clean their car because they know that they get more tips and more ratings if they clean their car. It's a great idea. And I think everybody should put it. I think that should be the one priority or the main thing that you should focus on in your car if you're gonna be a Lyft or Uber driver. It's important. That's the first thing. Like they say, the first impressions. First impressions are the best because they will rate you better. And you never know when you're gonna see them again. You never know. I've had a lot of people have like smoke smell and stuff like that, and I don't think that's good. That leaves a really bad impression. Just keeping your car clean is the best thing you could ever do. If you're gonna get something out of this video, keep your car clean. It's the best thing. People love the aesthetic. People love, and if you want to, put a little bit of decorations. That's so cute. I've had a lot of Uber drivers, a lot of my friends that are Uber drivers have like disco balls and stuff like that. It just like gives the environment a little bit of a jazz, a little bit of, character. People love to see character in your car. I think it's a great idea. Number 3, dress nice and smell good. People love seeing other people's personality in dressing. If you dress nice and you dress with your personality and your aesthetic, people love that. People love seeing different outfits and everything. I do. As a driver and a customer, I love seeing people's style. I love, complimenting it and just like commenting on it. I love giving tips because of their outfits or because they smell really nice. I sometimes ask which type of cologne are they wearing because it's, they smell so good. I think that's so important as well because you never know. You could start a conversation. You could, end up being friends with somebody because of that. It's just great. I think it just gives a little bit of a more of a taste to your car if it's clean and you smell nice and you have a nice outfit on. It's your business and you are your business. And if you show that, you are well cleaned and you smell amazing, I think that's great. And it doesn't take that long, I recommend as a driver, I love sweatpants. People compliment me a lot when I wear sweatpants. I have every color. Sweatpants are a great idea. I think people just feel that comfiness that you have, as a business. And I usually just put sprays of fragrance and that's it, good to go. A beanie if it's cold, in those rainy days, the sunny days in the summer. I like to put my shades on, really cool shades and everything like that. I don't know, I think it's just great. And I've heard a lot of drivers and me as a driver as well, that people love that, love the, the style that they have. They compliment it, they ask where they got it from. And they ask me all the time as well. I love showing my personality in my car. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Again, if you are currently an active Uber or Lyft driver, check out the link below to sign up for Play Octopus, a company that pays you up to $100 per month to install a tablet in your car for passengers to play trivia games and watch videos on. It's free to sign up when you use our link below. And you make extra money, get better tips, and better ratings. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye!